Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn Spanish. So I'm going to say a word, and when I do this, you're going to repeat after me, and I'm going to listen for you. Okay? Let's get started. Buenos dias means good morning. Can you say buenos dias? Very good. Buenos noches means good evening. Can you say buenos noches? Good job. Hola means hello. Can you say hola? Very good. Adios means goodbye. Can you say adios? Good job. Chica means girl. Can you say chica? Very good. Chico means boy. Can you say chico? Good job. Por favor means please. Can you say por favor? Very good. Good job. Gracias means thank you. Can you say gracias? Very good. De nada means you're welcome. Can you say de nada? Yay! You did it! You just learned Spanish. So I want you to practice these words every day, and soon you'll be a little door explorer. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.